Hey everyone, it's Tdawg here with Tdawg Trading. Thanks for making me part of your day. I really appreciate the support. In today's video, I have a couple of live options trades for you. I hit the Qs, I hit the SPYs. There's some real learnings in today's video. Today was a red day, minus 200 and I believe $296. I'm red today. I had one green trade and one red trade. And again, the red trade is where a lot of education took place. So I definitely recommend you take a look. And if you're interested, let's go. All right, good morning. A few minutes to the market open. My eye is on the Qs this morning. There we go. All right, it's on like Donkey Kong. Let's go. All right, I've got a level drawn here at 318 on the Qs. I believe that we're going to have a rejection. So let's see if we can get up there here shortly. Going to be looking at the 318 puts. But that's what I'm looking for. I think we've got a really good possibility of rejecting and at least getting just a little bit of a pullback and being able to take advantage of that level. So that's what I'm starting out with this morning. Let me pause and see if it gets there. All right, it's almost there. Got 6 contracts loaded in. Let's go. We're in. We ended up at $1.62. Our stop on this is just a little over 318.50. Still hovering at this level. It does look heavy though. Again, 318.50 is the stop. Come on, break down for me. Thinking I should have added there, honestly. Really do. I think I should have kept adding there. All right. I think this is it. This is a breakdown opportunity. Here we go. Let's adjust down to 4 contracts. $179. Come on, push. Getting right there down to that 20. Push through. There we go. Nice. All right. What do I want that bottom to be? 218. Yeah, 182 is fine. This could be where the rejection. Yep, right there. Not bad. So 6 contracts, $108. Not too bad. Not too bad. I think. Yeah. Okay. Let's look for the next opportunity. Okay, so the next move I'm looking at, as you can see here, I got the SPYs. The SPY identified here, I believe, or in preparation for getting ready for this breakout. We've got this consolidation pattern. It could reject, but any side of confirmation, I really think we've got an opportunity to break out here. So I've got my, I'm going to switch these to 412. I'm going to switch to make the 412 calls. Minimize my risk in case this does reject. You want to pull back to that line. Get in here around 126. Oop, let's go. Should have got in right there. Oh, there we go. All right. Where are we at? 126. All right. So 126 is our entry here on the 412 calls. I'd really like to see 412.75 here. Pretty extended though. Let this catapult the push. Oh, right up to my line at 412.50. Hope I don't. Hope I don't regret not selling here. It's not as much as I want to make with this particular trade, but so extended, I think. All right. Well, since again, the play I should have played is I should have sold and then let it come back down here to reset, and and possibly even take the trade again. So now I've got to look to find an opportunity to add down at this level. I could get just sub 100. All right. We added 4 more contracts. Again, I should have be adding 6 contracts and have a 6 contract position, and I've already taken the $150 that I had the opportunity to take earlier. It's turning into my Achilles heel. The negative advantage of a cash account, in my opinion, you're tempted, you want to keep getting more. It's too greedy. That's what it, I mean, again, that's the bad part. I've got to start doing that. I've got to start taking more profit, paying myself. Come on, let's see the bounce. It's time to bounce right here. Come on, get up there. So close. Gosh. Oh well. Everybody, you're going to have a good example of what not to do. I mean, I hope you're able to see this as I'm getting ready to stop out. Oh, just got to get out. Anyway, I hope you're able to see what happened. I had the opportunity to take profit here, and I should have just taken the profit here. It was at a level. If it pushed through, it pushed through. But uh, it could have done what I thought it might have done, and I could have taken another position here and sold it as soon as I saw it getting weak, or at least would have broke even on that other opportunity. So likely with the way that this came down, probably wasn't as good as an opportunity as I would have liked anyway. But anyway, minus $402 on that trade. Okay, so 2 trades. I made 108 on the first one, and I lost 402 on the second one, so I'm down minus 296 on the day. It's frustrating. I think this goes to what I've been my theme so far with trading options and trading in a cash account. You have this desire to wait on the bigger move and to really push, and honestly, when you make 75 cents, when you make close to $1 on the SPY or on the Qs, you've got to take it off the table. You've got to pay yourself and take that 150, $160, because on a cash account, I can trade that, you know 6 or 7 times. So that's you can make $1,000 that way, even with a really small account, the way that I'm trading it. So anyway, I think again, the lesson I keep learning it the hard way. It's not hurting me dramatically. I mean, today's not going to be, I've had, a number of good green days. I know I'm going to have some more, but at the end of the day, taking profit, is critical. Um, so anyway, hit that like button. Definitely appreciate you, making it this far. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe. Thanks so much. Y'all have a great day.